Good morning. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today, I'll be going over the energy sector, part 10. Before I jump into that, today's Sunday, so the market's closed. Um, just a little recap. Um, I'm currently at 59 global companies. I just bought 8 more, so that will kick in Monday. Um, Once I hit 100 companies, I'll go over the 100 companies that I'm invested in. Um, also, this is my first year investing, so as you can see, the first 6 months is pretty much, I didn't see anything until like after the 27th, where everything just started to take off, and then it peaked at on the 1st of October, and then pretty much it's been rocky since. Pretty much in bear a bear market. As you can see, this is probably the lowest that it hit on the 24th, a day before Christmas, which was at negative 8.66. Now it's sitting at negative 4.24. So that's where I'm at now. So let's jump into it. Okay, the first energy company is EQT. Let's go to the 5 year. Okay, as you see, baseline downward trend. Market price $19. About EQT Corp engages in natural gas production, gathering, and transmission in the Appalachian area. It operates through the following segments: EQT production, EQT gathering, EQT transmission, RMP gathering, and RMP water. The EQT production segment focuses on the exploration, development, and production of natural gas liquids, and crude oil. The EQT gathering segment contains the company's gathering assets that are included in EQM. The EQT transmission segment includes the company's FERC regulated interstate pipeline and storage operations. The RMP gathering segment has a high pressure dry gas gathering system that services the company and third parties in Washington and Greene counties, Pennsylvania. The RMP water segment includes water pipelines, impoundment facilities, pumping stations, take point facilities, and measurement facilities used to support well completion activities and to collect and recycle or dispose of flowback and produce water. The company was founded in 1888 and is headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So it's been around. Current CEO is Robert J. McNally. Employees 2,067. Headquarters Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Founded 1888. Market cap 4.88 billion. Dividend yield 0.21. Buy 70%. Hold 25%. Those two together more than 75%. That's the first energy company. Second energy company is Canadian Solar. Okay, there she is. Let's go to the 5 year. As you can see, little baseline. Market price $14. About Canadian Solar Incorporated engages in the manufacture of solar photovoltaic modules and a provider of solar energy solutions. It operates through the Module and System Solution (MSS) and Energy segments. The MSS segment involves in the design, development, manufacture, and sales of solar power products and solar system kits, and operation and maintenance services. The energy segment comprises of solar project development and sale, engineering, procurement, and construction, and development services operating solar power projects and sales of electricity. The company was founded by Sean Q in October 2001 and is headquartered in Guelph, Canada. The current CEO is Sean Q. Employees 12,129. Headquarters Guelph, Ontario. Founded in 2001. Market cap 847.10 mil. Dividend yield 0. Buy 22%. Hold 56%. Those two together more than 75%. That's the second energy company. The third energy company is Green Plains. And I'm going to go with the GPP because it has a higher dividend yield. The Green Plains, the GPRE, it's got a lower. So pretty much I went with the Green Plains with the higher dividend yield. As you'll see when I pull it up. 5-year, fairly new company. As you can see the straight line here. So doing fairly well. Market price about $14. About Green Plains Partners LP provides ethanol and fuel storage, terminal, and transportation services by owning, operating, developing, and acquiring ethanol and fuel storage tanks, terminals, transportation assets, and other related assets and businesses. The company was founded in March 2nd, 2015, and is headquartered in Omaha, Nebraska. The current CEO is Todd A. Becker. Employees not listed. Headquarters Omaha, Nebraska. Founded in 2015. Market cap 433.21 million. Dividend yield 9.52. That's the highest I've ever seen a dividend yield. So definitely one for the books. So that's Green Plains. While we're at it, I'm gonna show you guys the other Green Plains, just the dividend yield. The GPRE, because this is the initial one that I wanted to invest in. But as you can see, the dividend yield is 2.85. So, and that's the reason why I went with that. As you can see, it's 100% buy. So I went with the other, the Green Plains GPP. Okay, the fourth company is Petrobras. And I went with Petrobras 5-year. Let me go to the second one because the dividend yield on that is 0. Because this is something new that Petrobras, BRAS. I'm gonna go to the PBR dot A. No, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna go with the original Petrobras without the A. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, upward trend. Market price $13. This is a global stock investing. So this is a company in Rio de Janeiro. About Petróleo Brasileiro SA engages in oil and gas exploration, production, and distribution activities. It operates through the following segments: exploration and production, refining, transportation and marketing, distribution, gas and power, biofuel, and corporate. The exploration and production segment involves crude oil, natural gas liquids, and natural gas exploration, development, and production. The refining, transportation, and marketing segment involves refining, logistics, transportation, trading operations, oil products, and crude oil exports and imports. The petrochemical investments. The distribution segment refers to the distribution of oil products, ethanol, and vehicle natural gas to wholesalers and through Petrobras Distribuidora SA, its retail network in Brazil. The gas and power segment includes transportation and trading of natural and liquefied natural gas, the generation and trading of electric power, and the fertilizer business. The biofuel segment involves the production of biodiesel and its co-products and ethanol-related activities such as equity investments, production, and trading of ethanol, sugar, and the excess electricity generated from sugarcane bagasse. The corporate segment comprises the financing activities not attributable to other segments, including corporate financial management and central administrative overhead and actual real expenses. The company was founded on October 3rd, 1953, and is headquartered in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So there you go, a company in South America. So you can own companies global. A lot of people don't know, because I thought that, I had to invest in there pretty much like how we have Wall Street. Other countries have their Wall Street. And, me not really becoming familiar with the currency rates, I'm into it now. But learning about that and trying fluctuation of money, but I think it's a lot. It's a lot more. Trying to think of the word. Pretty much for foreign countries to register with Wall Street, that you could pretty much buy foreign companies through Wall Street. So that's pretty much how I'm gauging this. And then Robinhood is pretty much giving me, the reach to be able to do that. So, shout out to Robinhood. Okay, current CEO is Ivan de Sesua Montero. Employees 62,703. Headquarters Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Founded in 1953. Market cap 48.49 billion. Dividend yield 0. Buy 53%. Hold 47%. Those two together more than 75%. So that's the fourth energy company. Last but not least is, I can't see, okay, there it is. Antero Resources. Okay, Antero Resources. Baseline, market price $9. Excuse me. About Antero Resources Corporation, also called Antero Resources, is an independent oil and natural gas company which engages in the exploration, development, and acquisition of unconventional oil and liquids rich natural gas properties located in the Appalachian Basin in West Virginia, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. It operates through the following segments: exploration and production, gathering and processing, water handling and treatment, and marketing. It also focuses on unconventional reservoirs, which can generally be characterized as fractured shales and tight sand formation. The company was founded by Paul M. Rady and Glenn C. Warren, Jr. in June 2002 and is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. The current CEO is Paul M. Rady. Employees 593. Headquarters Denver, Colorado. Founded in 2002. Market cap 2.92 billion. Dividend yield 0. Buy 42%. Hold 53%. Those two together more than 75%. That's the fifth energy company. And the total for all five of these energy company comes out to $69.94. In conclusion, subscribe to the channel, comment any questions or recommendations you have, like if the content was inspiring for you, and share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.